Yes. Asan na yung little girl? Wala.
Yung nag-record na, parang di marunong gumamit.
Yan tayo eh.
Alam saan ka ginalagay ang tinidor? Sa right or sa left? Party, do you know it's your time to sleep na?
No.
Yeah? No? Okay. Paligid ka na masyado.
Yes? Why? What happened? Bakit? Go na. Hey guys, I'm here with Destiny. Halita ang reaction.
Ay!
Sige, sige. Oo, pag-back ni mo eh.
Sige, back ulit. It's so moist. Ay, it's a butter.
Nakaiba yung plating nila today.
Anong order mo?
This is shrimp aglio olio.
Ha?
Shrimp aglio olio.
Aglio olio.
Yeah.
Sorry guys, first time I'm
Nag-green yung hindi na.
Hello? Pangit?
Nasobraan sa matcha, guys.
Ma-stain tayo ang kuan, matcha. Masisi ang matcha.
Guys, tanawa yung ginapalit, guys.
Look, 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 look. Para sa ako ang toddler. Para magutay toddler. Kasya siya.
Kasya cute.
I love this.
Nandito sa kids section.
Kasya ko? What pag tayo? Bisaya pa nila Mickey Mouse. Mura mag na ay rabies. Tanawa. Bye.
Na-cry pa naman nila ang ano. Ay, oo. Nagyud ko pagka na nakasya sa iyahan.
Namin sa kids section.
Yes, kids section. Ay, ulo!
Hoy! 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 Kasya!
Hello vlog, we're here tonight at Big Ben's and this is our appetizers. So mine is nachos and this is what?
Tuna kinilaw.
Tuna kinilaw. Ayan. That's the dinner for tonight. Nachos lang at saka ano?
Kinilaw.
Nachos lang at saka kinilaw. Guys, ngayon lang ako nakakita ng nachos na nakatusok. Look. Ganyan yung itsura niya. So, I don't know how I will eat it.
May ano? Kutsara.
Ay, ganito pala. Pa natin to para sa ating ano, para sa aking 10 viewers. Opo. Thank you. Okay po. Thank you, sir. Ayan. Ayan na yung ano. Face test. Huh?
Ano ba yung sa Beran sa Big Piece? Ito, Big Ben.
Okay, this time, I'm going to try their very cute mango. Cute ng bottle nila. Oh, ayan. Cute bottle. Sarap. Okay, guys. Nanagad mo ang main dish for tonight. So, this is our food for tonight. It's, ano nga tawag dito? Mixed grills. So, we have tuna...
Ulit. Tuna belly. Edit mo.
So, we have tuna belly, back ribs, chicken, and that's it. But it smells so good. Ano yan?
May alamang. Tikman mo, sarap. May alamang na ano.
Nasuka?
Ang sarap nito.
Ang sarap yung ribs.
No? Ribs?
Sarap, guys.
Alam mo?
Ayan. Look at the bite. Let's try naman the belly.
Juicy.
This is the belly. Tuna belly. Ay, nahulog sa cellphone ko. I will try it without the sauce first. In fairness, ha? Masarap. Even without the sausawan, it's already masarap. Ang sarap, guys. Hindi ka nalugi. And this is just how much? 550 pesos. Okay. Done dinner. So busog. It's so busog.
Nag-unang tiyan.
It's Gail, camera up, let's sail. New day, new trail, hit that play, no fail.